Welcome back, folks. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe for your enlightening tech talks. Today's hot topic, agile versus waterfall. We're breaking them down to help you make the perfect choice for your next project. Ready? Let's dive. What is agile methodology? Picture building a puzzle, but the picture changes as you go. That's agile. It's all about flexibility, breaking the project into small parts called sprints, and adapting to ensure you're always delivering value. Exciting, right? So this normally happens when you have an idea of a solution, software solution for a problem, but you don't have all the details. So as you go along with the development, new features might come along, you might think of new stuff to do, or you might get feedback from your users telling you what they need for your platform. Advantages of agile. As number one, we can say flexibility and adaptation. Agile is like a chameleon adapting to project changes effortlessly. So you could say that it's like your GPS when you make a wrong turn. Recalculating, right? Well, agile does the same. When you have an idea and you start developing it, sometimes you get feedback from users or even yourself. You find that things that you thought they were meant to be done a certain way, now they need to be done differently. Second, collaboration and communication. It fosters teamwork, ensuring everyone's on the same page. Very strong point on agile is communication. You're gonna have a lot of daily meetings. That's how they call them, dailies. And this is to make sure that everybody understands what everyone is doing. So the teamwork and the collaboration, it's seamless. And the third one, improved software quality. That means continuous testing and better results. So basically what we do here, it's what Agile does. It's you're testing all the time. Since you broke the original idea into small parts, you're not waiting now to have a whole, like a big elephant to test. You have small bits and pieces that you're gonna be testing. And every increment that you make to the development, you're gonna be testing all of it together. So as you move forward and features are added to your development, you're gonna make sure that the previous part that you already done keeps working. Fourth, faster delivery. Quick sprints lead to faster releases. So normally the sprints are a period of time that is defined with a client in which the technical team develops something, the requirements or the user stories, they're called, it's basically like little stories where we tell the developers what they need to do. And it could range from 2 weeks to a month. It depends on the feature and also the timeline of the client. But we normally do 2 weeks because in that term, the client can see quickly advancements on their software. They can even give feedback or they can show that to early adopters and get feedback. And that feedback is crucial. Now let's see some disadvantages of Agile because no methodology is perfect. First, progress management. Keep track of progress can get tricky. There's a lot of softwares out there that can help project manager or product owner keep track of every single task. But it gets really difficult if you're not actually performing those tasks or completing and using those platforms. The agile teams are gonna have probably daily meetings where they're gonna discuss what they've done previously, any roadblocks that they have and that the product owner or the project manager needs to solve for them, and setting up the goals for the day. This doesn't mean that they're not going to be talking throughout the day, but it's like the requirement that it's to the detail and nothing's gonna change. So it's very difficult to assess the effort in time, in hours, is how we normally estimate software projects because it's evolving. Once a sprint finishes, you get feedback and then for the next sprint, you might have new things to be done. The scope of the project, it's evolving and it's changing. not ideal for strict requirements. Projects with fixed requirements may struggle. And this, as we mentioned with Agile, you have daily meetings and you have like brainstorming sessions sometimes when you try to understand the requirements. And you have the input of the different experts, architect, developers, product owner, project manager, and all of those can contribute to a better product. We hope this guide helps you navigate your next project decision with confidence. Got any light bulb moments or experiences to share? Drop us a comment below. If you find this video helpful, give us a like, share it with your peers, and don't forget to subscribe for more insight. Until next time, keep exploring and choose wisely.